My God, homies, my last video on this platform, on this very channel, only got 17 views in like almost 2 hours now. My God. So it seems like maybe only my net-cracking videos are going to be highly viewed for me, for the numbers I expect. So let's try it out. Let's give it a net crack. Ow. Ow. Oh, you heard it? My God, both sides cracked multiple times. Dear Lord, homies. Hold on, I think I got to bilge. Oh, a special added bonus. Hold on. Hold on. My God, can we get the trifecta? No, I guess not. I guess that's a solid in there, and I should utilize this time to go excrete a bowel movement. But until next time, remember, McHenry Cruiser is you too. Boom.